In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams. Scheduling a meeting is useful because it lets everyone know exactly when they need to be available. On the left side, go to Calendar. Here, you can click New Meeting in the top right corner to create one. Alternatively, you can go to the Meet section on the left and select Schedule a Meeting. Start by giving your meeting a title. Then choose who you want to invite by typing their email addresses or selecting contacts. Below that, set the meeting date and time. You can also mark it as an all-day event or choose if the meeting should repeat. If needed, you can add a location and include additional details in the description box. On the right-hand side, you can adjust permissions, such as whether participants can bypass the lobby and who is allowed to present. Once everything is set, click Send in the top right corner. Your meeting will be created. Now, if you go back to the calendar on the left, you'll see your newly scheduled meeting. Everyone you invited will receive an email with the meeting details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.